I'm going to show you how to divide fractions. Dividing fractions, to put it simply, only starts out looking like a division problem, but we are going to use the KFC method, and my kids call it the Kentucky Fried Chicken method. But in math and with fractions, it means keep it, flip it, change it. So in order to divide fractions, we actually have to turn it into a multiplication problem. So the K in KFC means keep it, and that means keep the first fraction. So the first fraction remains at 4/8. The F means flip it. Flip it means it's referring to the second fraction, and that means you're going to flip this fraction upside down. In mathematical terms, that means finding the reciprocal. So you're going to flip that 1/6, and it becomes 6/1, and change it. The C means to change this division sign into a multiplication sign. And if you've watched the multiplication of fractions video, you know that once you get it as a multiplication problem, you're only multiplying straight across. So this makes 24 over 8 is my product for 4/8 times 6/1. Now, this is an improper fraction. And yes, you do have to do simplest form. Converting an improper fraction to a mixed fraction is part of simplest form. We will go ahead and model that. Don't forget that a improper fraction means that the numerator is larger than the denominator, which means we need to divide, because remember, the fraction bar means division. So this really means 24 divided by 8, which would look like this. And when you divide it, you have 0 left, so that's no remainder, so you're not going to have a leftover fraction. So your final answer in this question is 3.